Do you have barcode label printers? Are you responsible for making sure these printers are ready to print labels so products can ship? If you are, I'm certain you'll be interested in how we helped a well-known tire manufacturer save money while ensuring 100% printer availability. Michael is a supply chain engineer with over 15 years of experience. He is responsible for ensuring label printers at 8 different warehouses are always ready to print over 50 million tire tread labels per year. Michael called me and said, "Mark, how do I know that all of our 200 plus printers we have that are in use have been properly maintained with 2 preventive maintenance visits per year?" The contract specifies that we can have 2 preventive maintenance visits per year to look at the printers and replace parts that are wearing out that have not caused production failures just yet. I explained to Michael how our audit process would work to verify this. After obtaining the complete repair history for the year, we were going to compare that report to the printers under maintenance report. As you can imagine, Michael was delighted to hear that we had identified that all of the printers had been maintained properly with 2 preventive maintenance visits. Increased printer uptime contributes directly to your bottom line to ensure products are shipping. He was even more thrilled to determine that 9 printers were not used anymore and could be taken off a contract, saving them $2,500. Since Michael had recently purchased new Zebra printers, Zebra provided an additional $9,000 per proper trade-in and disposal of the old IT assets. I'm Mark Alyn from ScanTexas. For over 20 years, we have helped customers like Michael adapt to state-of-the-art mobile computing, barcoding, RFID, and data collection solutions. We offer hardware, software, and a full range of support services to companies all across the United States. Customers like Michael choose ScanTexas because we deliver 3 key benefits. We're dependable, reliable, and flexible. If you'd like a conversation about how we can help you become more productive and profitable, let's talk. Just follow the link below. At ScanTexas, we don't celebrate closing a sale. We celebrate opening relationship. Our customers will tell you we deliver untouchable service and results.